Is that the remote? Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. Are we lopsided? I am so happy to be talking to you guys right now. So much has happened in the past couple of months. I am homesick, and that is a little bit of a blessing because I finally get to put this video out. I've been waiting for fall since the first day of summer. With the fall,
so much comes with the change of the season. I mean, we don't even have to get into it so much.
I'm doing good. I didn't have a voice this morning. I was like, I'm not gonna be able to make it today. I have an amazing recipe for y'all. I feel like I made this up. Pumpkin cobbler. You guys, this is one of those recipes you're going to have to write it down, put it in a book, and literally pass it down to the next generation. Like, you're gonna have to keep this in the family every Thanksgiving, maybe even at the Halloween party if you're crazy. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, Cakenista, so you are going to need a casserole dish or an oven-proof dish. This is a pie dish that I really love, so I'm going to use this one today because I was going to make pumpkin pie, you get it, but we turned it into something else. So I'm going to start off with my very orange pumpkin puree. I'm going to put 1 can of that straight into my dish. Yes, you can use a bowl. I am keeping it simple, okay? I'm going to add in 2 whole eggs. And then I'm going to begin beating those eggs up really quickly just so that I don't have to do any crazy mixation later on. And then I'm going to add my sugar. Whenever I have a pumpkin pie recipe, I always kind of cut the sugar just a little bit, by probably like a 1/4 cup, because anything else to me is a little bit overkill. I'm also going to add in some nutmeg and some pumpkin pie spice. I'm also going to add in some cinnamon and some pumpkin pie spice. You guys, I sound so Duffy with a D. Duffy, stuffy. My cold has gotten worse, and I'm so sorry. But I have to get this video out to you guys. This is detrimental. This is a good one. So I'm going to blend all of those ingredients together and then slowly add in my evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, that is completely fine. You can use regular milk, you can use whole or 2%. I wouldn't use skim milk or fat-free just because fat is just good in baked goods. It's kind of necessary. So this is where I made a sharp left turn, but it went right, okay? So once I have my pumpkin pie mixture completely mixed up, I'm going to take a large mixing bowl and I'm going to add in 1 box of vanilla cake mix. Now I'm going to turn this into a spice cake. So if you would like to purchase spice cake mix, you definitely can. I'm going to make my own here. This is what I had in the cabinet, so you know. I'm going to add in a stick of softened butter, and then I'm going to also add in some cinnamon and pumpkin spice. No, I didn't measure. Yes, I went with a lot. You can also do powdered ginger if you would like. You can do nutmeg if you would like. I can't stand it when my spice jars get like this. I don't want to rip the cap off because I want the closing aspect, but it's so annoying. Anyway, I'm going to combine all the spices and begin to incorporate my butter, and this made me so happy. Spice cake, spice cake, spice cake. I was so excited. The smell was amazing. Pumpkin and spices. I couldn't help but to sing. You know, when I start singing, this is about to be really good. Oh my. Oh my, this smells delicious. Oh my, what shall I do? Oh my, this smells delicious. I wish you could smell it too. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Should I do some more butter? You can never have too much butter. More butter. And if I were trying to make crumbles like a streusel, then I would have ice cold butter that I would be chopping into the cake mix. But I'm not trying to do that.
at all. I'm just trying to make like a nice topping, just a nice little layer. So that's a whole nother stick. Boy, that's a lot. I feel like I should, well, whatever. We in there now, baby.
Yes, we've added 2 sticks of unsalted butter to 1 box of cake mix along with our spices. I'm going to combine everything until it reaches this crumbly, moist texture, and I'm pretty much just going to pile this on top of my pie filling. Now, this is why I say be smart with your dish of choice, because you do want to make sure that you have enough room, especially because pie fillings tend to rise and fall.
I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm excited.
I still have about half of that mixture left over. Now, I don't want to overfill this because I don't know what's going to happen, so I'm going to play it safe. I'm going to set that aside. A little bit more pumpkin spice on top with a broken cap, and then I'm going to put this in a 350-degree preheated oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, it is par baked. You can see everything has settled into that pie filling. Now, I do want a crumbly mixture on top, and I want it to have, you know, layers and levels to this thing. So I'm going to put the rest of that cake mix on top and then finish baking it for 20 minutes. You can already see the caramelization. The pumpkin is getting all thick. It looks gorgeous and delicious. When this comes out of the oven, fight the urge to dig in, because you want this to rest just a little bit. After all, you know, piping hot pumpkin pie filling can be dangerous, okay? But you guys, this creates this gorgeous crust on top. Listen. Oh my goodness. And then you got like a pumpkin pie on the bottom. It's swirled, it's twirled. This is a combination that honestly is going to be kind of hard to beat it this fall. It's like a crust and a cake. It's like a pie and a cobbler. It is pumpkin cobbler. Do you love it or do you like it? The full recipe will be on my blog, MarishasCoutureCakes.com. Head over there for all of my recipes that you see on this channel. Couture and a pumpkin cobbler. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, with some ice cream, a little bit of caramel if you want, a little bit of salted caramel. Get out of here.
I personally meant to put it in containers and sell it, and instead I ended up eating it piece by piece. Like after work, I knew that I had that in the fridge. I knew I had my Cool Whip, and I just started a scooping and a scraping. Oh my goodness. You can have this dessert warm, you can have it room temperature, you can have it cold, and it is great all 3 ways. Trust me, I had it, okay? Let's pick a Cakenista comment, because so many of y'all, despite my absence, have been rocking till the wheels fall off. The Cakenista comment of the day is going to go to Shell Sweets 8666. Shell commented, in my attempt at purple velvet cake, Shell says, found your videos after looking for baking pop-up help this week. Been watching them like crazy. Love your sense of humor. Thank you so much, Shell. You know what? So many of you all are doing these pop-up shops or vendor events, and y'all have been finding me just based off of those videos, and that is amazing, because when I tell you, I didn't think that those videos were really going to go anywhere. I just needed like a vlog style video to put up, and I thought what better, because that's what I'm going to be doing anyway, so I might as well film them. But the fact that these are like the most watched videos at this rate is kind of amazing to me. So I'm so glad that I can help you guys out, because truly I always feel halfway clueless until I realize that I'm not. You know how you just do something and then it actually turns out to be kind of successful, and it's like, oh, I guess I do know what I'm doing a little bit. It's amazing, and it's great when you can help people along the way. So I'm so glad that I'm helping you guys out. Thank you so much, Shell, for commenting. If you would like to be featured in the next video, all you have to do is comment down below and be subscribed to the channel. I'm acting like this is medicine. This is apple. This is not apple. Pink punch mix mixed with iced tea mix. Whatever helps suppress the suppressant. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing. I need medicine.